If your Nintendo Switch says there's not enough free space to download the data, don't worry, this is a common issue. It usually happens because your system memory or microSD card is completely full, or because you've got too many screenshots and videos eating up storage in the background. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix so you can get back to downloading and playing your games. So let's begin. Solution 1. Data management. Since the error specifically says that you don't have space, you can definitely be certain that our Switch is full. So to fix this, go to System Settings, scroll down to Data Management. Now on the right side, tap on Manage Software. See if any game is taking too much of your data or not. See if you see any real big game, you can select it and open it. Then you can simply delete it from here. Tap Delete Software and confirm your choice. This will not delete your game save data. You can just reinstall the game again from the eShop and your data will be back. Now repeat this process to delete more games and save more space. Solution 2. Use a microSD card. The Nintendo Switch doesn't come with a great storage, so most of the times you do need an SD card. So assuming you have one, let's insert an SD card on your Switch. Turn your Switch off by holding the power button. Select Power Options, then tap Turn Off. Now on the back part of your Switch, flip open the stand. Right behind the stand is your SD card slot. Enter the SD card on your Switch. You should hear a click. After that, close the stand and turn your Switch back on. Once your Switch restarts, you may get a message telling you to format the SD card, so go along with it. After the process is done, come back to your home menu. Go to System Settings, scroll down to Data Management. Now tap Move Data between System/SD card. Tap Move to microSD card. Then simply select the big games and move them. This will definitely solve the problem. And that's it. If your Switch says there isn't enough free space, just clear out games you don't play, or add a microSD card for more storage. If this video helped you out, then hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below how much space your Switch has left now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.